pagkatapos po magkaroon po ng Bema Judgment or the Judgment Seat of Christ. Ito po ay hindi judgment. Ito po ay awarding ceremony. Po, kung saan i-award po ng Panginoon lahat yung mga crowns natin. And when we receive our crowns, yung iba po may isa, yung iba dalawa, yung iba maraming corona. Hallelujah. And pagkatapos po natin tanggapin natin ang corona natin, habang tayo po ay nasa langit, we will cast it down at the feet of the one who died for us and say, worthy is the Lamb. No? Worthy who was slain. So doon po mangyayari yan habang nasa langit po. Habang dito sa baba, may 7 years tribulation. So sa taas, may wedding of the Lamb, the Bema Judgment or the Judgment Seat of Christ. Pare-pareho po yun. Meron pong rapture, Jesus Christ will come down. We will be caught up with Him in the air. 7 years tribulation. This will be, God is going to judge Israel and the nations. Okay, because of its sin. Then after 7 years, ito pong 7 years ito is tinatawag po natin the 70th week of Daniel. Ito yung hindi po natuloy, dapat dito po yan nangyari, pero naisingit po yung church age. So we're waiting for the fulfillment of the 70th week of Daniel. There will be 7 seals, 7 trumpets, 7 bowls. And then pagkatapos po at the end of the tribulation will be the second coming. Jesus comes, no, riding on a horse with the angels and the vast army coming from Him. There will be dito po mangyayari yung Battle of Armageddon. Dito po, after the tribulation, at the end of the tribulation, Christ will come. He will bind the Antichrist, the false prophets, and the dragon. And they will cast him down to the lake of fire. Pagkatapos po niyang itapon the lake of fire, from the bottomless pit. Itatapon po niya sa bottomless pit. No? And establish na po niya yung kanyang eternal kingdom. Rito po ang tawag nila millennial kingdom. I don't want the millennial kingdom. It's an eternal kingdom, not a millennial kingdom. Bakit po? It's an everlasting kingdom, kaso nga lang may mangyayari within 1,000 years. Meron lang mangyayari within 1,000 years, na kung saan, within 1,000 years, hindi ko alam kung literal yan or figurative, pero it's a long period. Habang po, ganun, bigla po rito ay pakakawalan ulit si Satanas, and he will deceive a lot of people rito. Kaya po within 1,000 years, or millennial, after the millennial reign, meron pa po yung last huling sayaw ni Satanas. He'll still deceive many. And then, pagkatapos niyan po, the great white throne judgment, He will separate the sheep and the goats. And the goats will go to hell, eternal fire. And the righteous will go into the new heaven and new earth. That will be the eternity future. So, ito po yung ating basic doctrine in eschatology.